Hello. My pipe that comes across from the handle to the other side of the leg broke. So what I did is I got a wrench and put it on the nut here. Use that torque. I've been working on it for a minute now. Hold on a sec. Been working on it, and then I put a socket on the other end, stuck a screwdriver in it. Took a while to get to this point, but it's just now starting to loosen up so I can get this leg up. I'm just turning this socket now to get it up. So I'm going to get it home. I'm going to get it up like normal, and for good measure I got some spare ratchet straps. I'm going to strap the leg just to make sure it doesn't fall down while I drive. But that was a 9/16 I threw on there. Like I said, at first I had to put the screwdriver in it to get some torque. Anyway,